Hi stars, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Okay stars, so today we are making Gizidodo. Here are your ingredients: your bell peppers, carrots, spring onions, plantain, fresh tomato and pepper, and of course your gizzard. Okay stars, start first by prepping all your veggies and set that aside. Cut your gizzards into pieces as well. Go ahead and fry your plantain and set that aside. Season your gizzards with spring onions and bouillon cubes and of course pepper, and let that simmer for a few minutes. Go ahead and fry your gizzard. Saute your spring onions, your pepper mix, and let that cook for a few minutes. Pour in your fried dodo and gizzard and give that a very good stir. Finally, add your veggies and give that one final stir. So stars, our delicious Gizidodo is ready. What would you be pairing this with? Or would you rather take it like that? Thank you stars for watching up to this point. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.